Hello everyone, welcome to today's vlog. In this video, you will see how a fully day passes from morning till night while feeding cats, watching kitten play, and spending time with rescue kitten and stray cats. Let's start with the morning. As usual, the first thing I did was feed Oreo. When I went to the tiger's area, I saw a tiger sitting, but the Oreo was missing. I kept calling him, but he didn't come. For a moment, I was really confused. Then I finally realized where he was. Oreo was sitting near the geyser, high up in a corner, enjoying the warmth. The weather is very cold these days, so he found a perfect warm spot. That's when I truly understood what camouflage looked like. He was right there, but I couldn't even see him at first. Tiger, on the other hand, is a bit heavyweight. He does not jump as much as Oreo does. Oreo easily climbs and jumps everywhere, while Tiger is more careful and slightly scared of long jumps. After feeding them, I went to check on the rescued kitten. I gave him food and was sitting in the sunlight enjoying the warmth. His health is still not completely fine because of the cold weather. He feels okay during the day, but in the mornings and at night his nose gets blocked. We have given him medicine, but since he is a stray kitten and live outside, recovery will take some time. He is also alone, so it's hard for him. Still, seeing him enjoy the sunlight gave me hope. By afternoon, Oreo and Tiger were playing together. Mostly they just play, but sometimes there's a little fight. Oreo occasionally get annoyed because Tiger keeps following him everywhere. And if there are freshly washed clothes nearby, well, you know how cats are. If your cats also love sniffing clean clothes, tell me in the comment. I'd love to know.
Three, two, one.
As evening arrived, something really beautiful happened. The rescued kitten and another stray kitten also become friends. In the beginning, they were not comfortable with each other at all, but now their bond has grown so strong. Watching them together makes me really happy. I feel peaceful knowing that my rescued kitten is no longer alone. They play together, eat together, and most importantly, they sleep together, sharing warmth to survive the cold nights. That gives me deep inner satisfaction. During the evening, Tom often shows up there. He is very talkative. First, he demands love and attention, and only then does he eat. Sometimes Salma comes by too. This is how evening usually pass, feeding, playing, and quiet moments together.
Come on.
At night, when I went out to give them dinner, I couldn't find the rescued kitten. I got worried and started looking for him. Then I noticed that both kittens were sleeping peacefully inside a small a small space between the boxes. They were curled up together, warm and safe. Seeing that made me feel so relieved. Seeing that made me feel so relieved. I no longer need to check on him again and again at night, worrying whether he is cold or not. Now he has a friend, and that makes all the difference. This is how most of our days pass, simple moments, small routines, and a lot of love. Thank you for spending time. Thank you for spending this day with us. See you in the next vlog.